Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a curious boy named Timmy. Timmy had messy brown hair and loved to explore. People in the village knew him for being full of energy and always wanting to know more. One sunny morning, Timmy was in the woods near his village. He found an old chest buried in the ground. He dug it out with his shovel and opened it. Inside, there was a teddy bear with a big smile and shiny eyes. Timmy picked up the teddy bear. To his surprise, it blinked and said, "Hi, Timmy." Timmy's eyes got wide. "Can you talk?" The teddy bear nodded. "Yes, Timmy, I can talk. I've been waiting for someone like you for a long time. I'm Teddy, the magical talking teddy bear." Timmy was excited. He always wished for such a friend, and now it seemed his wish had come true. Timmy and Teddy began many incredible adventures together. Their first adventure took them deep into a special forest, where they met talking animals and a wise old owl who liked to tell riddles. As they faced challenges, Timmy and Teddy's friendship grew stronger. Their next adventure led them to a beautiful secret lake where they discovered an underwater kingdom. Lots of fish welcomed them. Then, Timmy and Teddy learned to swim with dolphins and play with seahorses. On another adventure, they met a tricky gnome who wanted to steal Teddy's magic powers. Timmy and Teddy had to be clever and work together to outsmart the sly gnome and keep Teddy's magic safe. One day, while exploring, they found a hidden door in the woods. Inside, they discovered a magical library with books that could take them to any place or time. Timmy and Teddy read stories about dragons, pirates, and hidden treasure, and even traveled back in time to see dinosaurs. Through all their adventures, they learned important lessons about friendship. They knew that as long as they had each other, every day would be a new and exciting adventure. And they lived happily ever after, cherishing the magical world they discovered together.